We are in the elevator. See what?
Third floor, second floor, first floor.
So anyway, now we're riding scooters, and there's but we have to go get Vogue. We have to go get Vogue and this thing at a cool vending machine. Apparently you can get Wi-Fi at the park. Like inside the vending machine. Like once you get to the vending machine, I'll show you where he works, like exactly. He was like inside of it, and I like started walking in there, then I was like, oh crud, because like if you push the button, it's gonna hit him. That would be weird. Okay, really hard to scooter while vlogging. This is probably the world's biggest whoa.
We have the big Coca-Cola bottle.
Look at that. Okay, but look, that's a giant Coca-Cola bottle. Okay, order now. Okay.
3601. Where?
What do you want?
3601.
You want a Twix bar?
Yeah, 3601.
Okay. Okay, so base €1.
That's 30 cents.
Okay, so Erin, what is it?
3601.
So. Okay, now watch this. Ready? Like, Erin, move your head. This is like Twix. This is like the world's biggest vending machine. And watch, this is electronic. Ready? Look. And then your 20 cents. Oh my god, it's cold money. Okay, I'm gonna go get mine. What do I get? You should get a 1602 Kinder Bruno. Oh yeah. That's so weird. And here we go again. When it feels like it. Any day now.
Wait, you can put it in a different one too.
Yeah. Okay, look, it's like,
And now you can't really see it that well if you're spreading
Did
your
you
shoes.
zoom in? You zoomed in. Okay. I got one of my products. I removed my product from the delivery bin. Thank you.
What does it have? Cold blue.
If there's a problem. Now it is getting my second product. Zoom.
You can stick a bar.
Getting your product now. Thank you.
Snickers bar.
They're yummy. No. Okay. Oh.
Megan, we can ask for English.
I did ask for English. It was in English. It's the amazing vending machine. Okay. Bye bye.